Another phase of the government's National Job Skills Training Initiative has begun, preparing scores of Bahamians to take on careers in the healthcare sector. Today, those successful candidates heard from Prime Minister Hubert Ingraham on the plan to restore confidence in a limited job market.
6 days before Christmas, and a lucky group of Bahamians are getting a gift they'll be able to enjoy well after the season ends. The opportunity to gain work experience in one of the fastest growing fields in the country, the medical field, and at the government's largest corporation, the Public Hospitals Authority. These 87 are part of the government's National Job and Skills Training Initiative. Prime Minister Ingraham addressed participants of the Public Hospital Authority's program at the Hilton Hotel, telling the participants his administration is fostering new generations of professionals and entrepreneurs which will enhance economic development for decades to come.
The country needs you, and the country wishes you well in your aspirations, and that's why we are investing in your future. We ask in return for this investment that you honor this confidence being placed in you through hard work, punctuality, being on time, diligence, and a good attitude. As the economy continues to improve, the need for skilled, experienced individuals will become even greater than it is today. Embrace all aspects of this training being offered to you.
Participants have been placed at Princess Margaret Hospital, the Ram Memorial in Grand Bahama, Sandilands Rehabilitation Center, the Materials Management Directorate, National Emergency Services, and the corporate office.
I'm also told that the PMH has requested 143 trainees, 40 odd of whom will be trained to perform duties required in the critical care block. And that Sandilands is seeking some 77, 31 of whom will be assigned to the new child and adolescent care unit. And the RAND has requested 69 of whom 31 will be placed in the accident and emergency unit.
Health Minister Dr. Hubert Ingraham reminding the new temporary employees that the healthcare sector is one area resilient to recession. Therefore, it has the possibilities of providing a great future.
At the end of 12 months, the Public Hospitals Authority may decide to extend employment to 10, 20, 30, 40, or even more. Even more of you. Whatever the number, the challenge for you is to ensure that you are one of those selected to stay.
Managing Director of the Public Hospitals Authority, Herbert Brown, says investment in quality human resources is not only essential, but critical.
Whether you are an emergency medical services technician, responding to an anxious caller to the community, or a rehabilitation technician who must coordinate programs for the patients at the Sandilands Rehabilitation Center, your contact with that patient will greatly influence their recovery.
Now, over the next 12 months, the temporary employees will be assigned trained mentors. Interesting, though, the Prime Minister said that although they're being trained by the government, it doesn't necessarily mean they have to work for the government. They'll also be available for private sector employment. Clint Watson, ZNS News.